everyone, this is Christy. Today I'm going to share with you an event that I made for HTVRONT. HTVRONT provided everything, even the machine for tumbler heat press, and then also the stainless steel tumblers and the glass tumblers that they have in their store. So I can make this one for free for my community. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're interested in any of the items provided by HTVRONT, look in the description box of this video. I had lots of fun participating in this campaign, Care Tumbler Heat Press by HTVRONT. I was inspired to decorate all of these tumblers. And here is the star of this event, the new Auto Tumbler Heat Press. Stay tuned to my channel so you can see the open box of the new Auto Tumbler Heat Press, and I will make a tutorial on how to sublimate these tumblers. Best of all is that you can decorate them with any image, photographs, or personalize them.
Is this the machine that does it?
Yeah, this is the tumbler heat press machine from HTVRONT. Everything is from HTVRONT. Even this one they sell. This one in the website, and this is a tumbler, stainless steel tumbler that has a special code. So when I put up here one of these printed papers that are an ink that is for sublimation, I just put up here. I use tape, and then I'm going to put it in the machine, and it takes like 1 minute, and then it's ready, like any of the other ones.
Is it like a lamination process, or?
No, lamination is different. This one is like when you print a paper, you put a blank paper, and then the machine makes the printing using the inks, right?
Right.
In this case, the inks are already in the paper. I use the printer, and now they are going to be transferred to the blank. We call the blank when it doesn't have anything.
Got it. Okay.
Because this is a special tumbler that has a special lacquer, so it grabs all the ink that is in the paper. So the paper is going to release the ink.
The ink
And
and
it
copy
will-
the print.
Yes.
On the
Yeah.
cup. And how
it's
does it do
baked
that?
up.
Like through heat or like?
Yeah, this machine is like an oven. This one is going to heat up at 380 degrees, and when it's ready, it takes just 1 minute to heat the ink and
Release
release
the
everything.
print.
Yeah. This is for many kinds of tumblers, not only for these skinny tumblers, but the glass tumblers. There are the like thermos for babies and stuff like that. So everything that is metal, glass, and it has a coat, it can fit in there. Even the mugs, the ceramic mugs too.
Oh really?
Yeah.
You can make
them
them on this machine.
You can make it up here and put the label that you want. And for this one, because it's super hot, like an oven, I'm going to use these gloves. And these gloves have silicone, so
Yeah.
I don't get
Burned.
Yeah.
Do they come with the machine?
Yes, it comes with the machine.
Yes.
Okay, it's now in 380, and I'm going to put it for 60 seconds. So I'm just put it up here, and this is the button, and this is automatic. It's super. It's something new. After 1 minute, it's going to open. This is like
Very
modern.
user friendly.
It's modern.
Modern. Easy.
This is the part that you get desperate to see how it
I
works.
know. See how it came out.
Yeah.
Oh wow. That's really neat. That's very neat. Wow, it
See?
just takes like magic.
I know.
That's really cool. This is like an industry now, huh?
Yeah,
I
you
see it
can
at the mall.
you can make a specials for this. You save a lot of money if you make it for yourself, or you can sell. See?
Is it good?
No. It's too hot
It's too
right
hot.
now. You're going to let it cool a little bit.
Okay.
super easy and fast. Yeah.
It's amazing how the print,
The inks.
inks attached to the cup, like just
Yeah.
so fast.
And it's bright. And that's
Right.
because
Oh,
of the
yeah.
temperature of the machine.
Okay. Like a recipes type of thing. These are so pretty. Thank you, HTVRONT. I think it's great that you guys are, showing your products and giving them to the community. Thank you so much. They seem great and can't wait to try it out.
Thank you, HTVRONT.
Enjoy.
Thank you, HTVRONT. I like it. Thank you.
Thank you.
It's beautiful. Thank you.
Is a special event from HTVRONT, and HTVRONT gave all of these for free for the community. Isn't that right? Yes, right? And I use this machine to make these beautiful tumblers, and I'm gonna show you how I make them. It takes only like about 5 minutes, but in the while I'm doing this one, you can choose any one, and it's going to be free for you to take it home, okay? And these are stainless steel, and these are glass, and these are cups too, okay? So you can put cold drinks on that. The quality is amazing, super beautiful. So I hope you enjoy this one, and I'm gonna show you how I make them. This one is the tumbler, and this is how it comes. It's just white, and it has a special lacquer, so we call them blanks. And we are going to choose one of the prints from here, and these prints are made with a special printer. These prints are with an ink that is going to be transferred to the blank. So this is how we make them, and we're going to use this machine to heat it up and transfer the ink. So this one works like an oven, super hot. It goes up to 380 degrees while I'm making, and it takes just 1 minute. 1 minute, and you can have your tumbler. So I volunteer to choose one of the pictures. If you want to choose one, okay? If you want to choose any one of the pictures.
I'm going to go for my one.
That says todo lo puedo en Cristo. This one? Okay, he wants this one. Okay. So I'm going to show you how I make them. I just have to clean very well. Okay. And then I'm going to put this one. It's important that you don't put it upside down. Just put it in here. And then I'm going to use this heat tape. Okay, it's not a regular tape. No, it's a special for heat because this is like an oven. So I'm going to just put it up here, and it's not going to burn. Okay, now it's ready. Now please come join us to see this one. Okay, because this one is super hot, I'm going to use these gloves, and these gloves has silicone on the side because it's super hot. It's like getting something from the oven. Okay? So I just put it in here and put it inside, and then it's automatic. And it will take 1 minute. And then we just take the paper, and it's going to be. Yeah, it's amazing, right? Now it's ready. So I just grab this one and take all the tape that I put. Super hot, that's why. Yeah, I'm using the gloves. See? So I'm going to let it cool a little bit. And then I need to put the base. I just put it in here.
Muchas gracias.
Thank you, HTVRONT. This event was a success. Look at this. Everything empty and people were so happy to participate in this event. Thank you everyone for joining us. Have a blessed day everyone. Bye-bye.